guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I am going to be doing a one product wash and go using Blue Magic. If you're not familiar with Blue Magic, this is actually hair dress, hair grease. If you're like me, then this is definitely a memorable part of your childhood. I remember my mom using grease in my hair whenever she would braid my hair up. Just that smell, it's so reminiscent. It reminds me of getting my head popped when I would cry or move the wrong way, or good times. But anyway, I'm gonna be using this as a wash and go. It's meant to moisturize your hair and your scalp for hair growth, not for a wash and go, not for styling, but you know what? Let's just see how it works. Look at this texture. Is like, it's soft, but it's hard, like grease. Some ASMR for you. So it's like melting in my hands a little bit. I'm nervous about doing this. I feel like I should do this in smaller sections than what I typically do. It's kind of hard to get through my hair, and I don't know if that's because it's damp and not wet. Maybe if it was wet, that would be better. I don't know. I feel like it's defining my hair though. All right, so I'm done halfway, and honestly, it's looking pretty good. I'm very surprised. My hair is coated with the Blue Magic hair grease hair dress, and I feel like it looks pretty good. It definitely feels a little weighed down. Like, I'm wondering how it'll dry, if it'll dry. It almost feels like it won't, but I feel like the definition looks pretty good. So I'm hopeful. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry, and I will be back at the end of the day to show you guys what it's looking like. I am back, and here's what my hair is looking like. There's actually a lot of definition, and I even feel like my curls curled up even more, like tighter. So I find that very interesting. I like how it looks. I really do like how it looks. It actually dried faster than I expected. It only took a couple of hours, so that was nice. In regards to the look, I feel like the oil kind of darkens my hair too a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed that. Like, it's a little bit darker than it normally would be. And it doesn't look bad. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that in particular. The only thing is, as you can see, I've been touching my hair, right? My fingers are so oily. So, I mean, it's great for my nails and my cuticles. My neck is oily. So that's a con for me, but this isn't meant as a styler, but I feel like it did a really good job with my curls. Would I use this again? Not by itself. I'm not a big fan of smelling like hair grease, if I'm being honest. It's not my jam. The smell is a con, and the oily fingers, you know, if I was wearing something that I cared about, it could get like an oil stain or something. So, something to think about. I might wear this a little bit, maybe as a sealant or under a gel or something like that. But I wouldn't wear it again alone, and I wouldn't use as much. My overall thoughts and review on this Blue Magic hair dress, I'm not even going to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down because it's not meant for styling like I mentioned, but it did a pretty good job on my hair. So I don't hate it. I don't dislike it. I just wouldn't use it by itself, but I definitely will find uses for this. So I feel like this could benefit my hair. So I guess it's a thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.